into cos inverse minus sine modulus x. X belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Then which of the following is true? There is 4 options. F dash 0 minus pi by 2, F dash decreasing in open interval minus pi by 2 0, and F dash increasing in open interval 0 pi by 2. F is not differentiable at x equal to 0. F dash is increasing in minus pi by 2 0. F dash is decreasing in 0 pi by 2. Solution: f of x is equal to x into cos inverse minus sine modulus x. F of x is equal to x into cos inverse minus is pi minus cos inverse plus sine modulus x. Cos inverse minus x is minus sine modulus x is pi minus cos inverse sine modulus x. X into pi minus cos inverse is converted into sine inverse. It is pi by 2 minus sine inverse sine modulus x. That is x into pi minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Minus minus is plus. Sine inverse sine is cancelled. So it is simply x into pi by 2 plus modulus x. It is redefined as x into, when x less than 0, it is pi by 2 minus x. When x less than 0, modulus x is minus x. And x into pi by 2, this modulus x is converted as plus x when x greater than or equal to 0. When x greater than or equal to 0, modulus x is plus x, and x less than or equal to 0, modulus x is minus x. It is the new definition for this function. Taking derivatives, f dash, in option discussing derivatives. So first derivative is f dash x is equal to pi by 2x minus x square. Derivative is pi by 2 minus 2x when x less than 0. And again pi by 2 plus 2x, x greater than or equal to 0. Take this function as another definition, g of x. F dash x is another function. Another function is denoted by g of x. Again taking derivative for second derivative test or first derivative test for increasing decreasing discussion. G dash x is, derivative of this function is constantly 0, minus 2x is minus 2. And here plus 2, derivative is plus 2, x greater than or equal to 0. We know that first derivative of this function is negative, that means function is decreasing. And first derivative of this function is positive, function is increasing. Therefore, f dash is decreasing. F dash is decreasing in the interval less than 0, minus pi by 2 0, open interval, and f dash is increasing above 0, that is 0 to pi by 2. So option B. Question number 2. Let 2 points A 1 minus 1 and B 0 2 if a point P x1 y1 be such that area of triangle PAB is 5 square units and lies on the line 3x plus y is equal to 4 lambda, then value of lambda is. So from this question we discussed area of a triangle. Area of triangle PAB is equal to 5 square units. ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഷോർട്ട് കട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ഹാഫ് ഇൻറ്റു പോയിന്റ്സ് നമ്മൾ 3 പോയിന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. given 3 പോയിന്റ്. so 1 minus 1 0 2 സ്റ്റെയർ മെത്തേഡ് എന്നാണ് ഇതിനെ പറയുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ് 1 minus 1, second point is 0 2 and another one is x1 y1 p point PAB and again ഈ മൂന്ന് പോയിന്റ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയിട്ട് സ്റ്റെയർ മെത്തേഡിൽ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ 1 minus 1 എഴുതണം is equal to 5. It's a shortcut stair method for finding area of triangle PAB. That is half നമുക്ക് അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. Going to passing through the RHS. Then 1 into 2. Stair method is like this. 1 into 2. 2 plus. 0 into y1 is 0. x1 into minus 1 is minus x1. മൈനസ് ഓഫ് അതിനുശേഷം ഒരു മൈനസ് ഇടണം. തിരിച്ചു പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഇവിടുന്ന് മുകളിലോട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം. y1 2x1 0 into minus 1 is 0. That is equal to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. ഏരിയ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ ഒരു മോഡുലസ് കൊടുത്തേക്കാം. മോഡുലസ് that is minus x1 minus 2x1 is minus 3x1 minus y1 and plus 2 is equal to 10. മോഡുലസ് മാറ്റുമ്പോൾ minus 3x1 minus y1 plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 10. That is minus 3x1 minus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 10. Plus 2 അങ്ങോട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ minus 3x1 minus y1 is equal to 8 minus 12. Minus 3x1 minus y1 is equal to 8 minus 12. Simply it is 3x1 plus y1 is multiplying by negative, it is minus 8 and plus 12. This point hold px1 y1 hold the line 3x plus y is equal to 4 lambda. Given that a formula 3x plus y is equal to 4 lambda on this line, and the given equation is required equation is 3x1 plus y1 is equal to minus 8 or plus 12. 3x1 plus y1 is equal to plus 12. Therefore lambda is 4 lambda is minus 8 and here 4 lambda is plus 12. Therefore simply lambda is minus 2 and lambda is equal to 3. Next question is, if C is a point at which Rolle's theorem holds. Rolle's theorem is this one. For the function f of x is equal to log base c x square plus alpha by 7x in the interval closed interval 3 4 where alpha belongs to R, then f2 dash c is equal to second derivative at c. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. The Rolle's theorem is a function defined on closed interval ab. Function is continuous on closed interval ab. Function is differentiable on open interval ab. F of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists some c such that f dash c equal to 0. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുന്നത് ഈ കണ്ടീഷൻ ആണ്. f of a is equal to f of b. This function hold Rolle's theorem on this interval. So solution is f of 3 is equal to f of 4. f of 3 is equal to f of 4. f of 3 is log base e 9 plus alpha by 21. 7 into 3. f of 4 is log base e 16, 4 square, 16 plus alpha by 7 into 4, 28. Log b base c cancelling from both sides. So 9 alpha by dividing by 7, it is 3 and here it is 4. By crossing it is 36 plus 4 alpha is equal to 48 plus 3 alpha. Then 4 alpha minus 3 alpha is alpha, 48 minus 36 is 12. Alpha is equal to 12. Alpha is 12. Here alpha is 12. Therefore f of x is taken as log base c x square plus 12 by 7x. Log and another function, inside function. Log x is derivative is 1 by x, so here 1 by x square plus 12 by 7x into here quotient rule, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator 7 divided by denominator square. Cancelling 7x and 7x square. So simply it is equal to 14x square minus 7x square plus or minus into plus is minus 12 into 7 is 84 divided by x square plus 12 into cancelling these two, here is 7x. The numerator is 7x square minus 84, 7 common. So x square minus 12 divided by 7x into x square plus 12. Cancelling 7. So x square minus 12 by x into x square plus 12. X square minus 12 by x into x square plus 12 is the first derivative. F dash c equal to 0. Finding the critical point c. First derivative equal to 0. Critical point എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് 0 ആകലാണ്. നമ്മൾ ക്രിട്ടിക്കൽ ആവുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ 0 ആകുക എന്നാണ്. ഇത് ഇതിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് 0 ആകുക. That is x square minus 12 by c square minus 12 by c into c square plus 12 equal to 0. Very simply it is from numerator only equal to 0. That is c square is equal to 12. Denominator 0 to into ആവും. c is equal to plus or minus root 12. Then we have to calculate f2 dash x. Denominator into derivative of numerator is 2x minus numerator into derivative of denominator is 3x square plus 12 whole divided by denominator square. Denominator square. That is equal to, put this root 12 into this x, f2 dash c, that is root 12 minus root 12 raised to 4 is 144 plus 48 into root 12 square is 12 plus 144 divided by root 12 square, that is 12 into 12 plus 12 the whole square. That is 48 into 12 divided by 12 into 2 into 12 the whole square or 24 the whole square. 24 into 24. Get cancelled. 48 is 24 into 2. 24 into 2 by 24 into 24. That is equal to 24 getting cancelled 1 by 12. By substituting 0, this one is 0, this one is 0. 2 by 2 is 1. Raised to 1 by 0, x tends to 0. 1 by x square are tending to infinity. X tends to 0, 1 by x tends to 1 by x square tends to infinity. It is a 1 raised to infinity form. This not is equal to 1. 1 raised to any number is 1, but 1 raised to infinity is not 1. In this case, a limit x tends to a, f of x raised to g of x is of the form 1 raised to infinity. We take it as e raised to limit x tends to a, g of x into f of x minus 1 is the shortcut for 1 raised to infinity form. Therefore, here e raised limit x tends to 0, this 1 by x square into g of x into this f of x by minus f of x minus 1. That is e raised to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square into, by cross multiplication it is 3x square plus 2 minus 7x square minus 2 divided by 7x square plus 2. E raised to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square into 3x square minus 7x square is minus 4x square plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, 7x square plus 2. This x square and this x square simply get cancelled. So e raised to, applying limit, it is minus 4 divided by 7 into 0 is 0 plus 2 is e raised to minus 2. The locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point 0 minus 1 and a point on the parabola x square is equal to 4y internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. Conic sectionally lines section formula 2-dimensional geometry point join question. A line contains a point P 0 minus 1 and another point R, that is a point on this parabola. We take that point x is abscissa is 2 into t. So abscissa is 2 into t, that is here 4t square is equal to 4y. Y is equal to t square. Y is equal to t square. Take this x as 2 into t. So x square is 4t square is equal to 4 by 4 getting cancelled. At that time y is equal to t square. So the general point of that parabola is 2 into t and t square. And here point q hk. This hk divides this line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2. Find the locus of this point q, dividing point, locus of the point which divides. So locus of this point, locus means a travelling path. It is an equation of a straight line or parabola, ellipse, etc. So bisection formula clearly q implies h is equal to 1 into 2 into t plus 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus 2 and k is equal to 1 into t square, this 1 into t square plus 2 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. That is h is equal to 2 into t by 3 and k is equal to t square minus 2 by 3. Find t from these two equations. 3h by 2 is equal to t. 3h by 2 is equal to t. Here 3k plus 2 is equal to t square. That is 3k plus 2 using this t into this t square. That is 9h square by 4. T square is 9h square by 4. Crossing 12k, 8 is equal to 9h square. That is 9h square minus 12k is equal to 8. H is in the position of abscissa, so 9x square minus k is ordinate, 12y is equal to 8. Is the locus of this point hk or xy. Generally it is xy, arbitrary points. 9x square minus 12y is equal to 8 is the locus of this point q. Question number 6. F of x is equal to sine tan inverse x plus sine cot inverse x whole square minus 1 modulus x greater than 1. Note that if dy by dx is equal to half d by dx of sine inverse f of x and y root 3 is equal to pi by 6, then find y minus root 3, y of minus root 3. this f of x. For finding this f of x, take tan inverse x is equal to theta. Take tan inverse x is equal to theta. We get x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. And sin theta is, that time sin theta is, tan theta means tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite adjacent. Hypotenuse is root of x square plus 1 square. Therefore, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Take this f of x is equal to sin tan inverse x plus sin cot inverse x the whole square minus 1. That is sin theta, sin tan inverse x is theta, plus sin cot inverse x is cos theta, the whole square minus 1. Sin theta is x by root of x square plus 1. Cos theta is 1 by root of x square plus 1, the whole square minus 1. That is x plus 1 whole square by x square plus 1 minus 1. Crossing it is x plus 1 whole square minus of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. That is cancelling x square, cancelling 1, it is 2ab. Here 2ab is 2x. 2x by x square 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus into dy by dx is half into d by dx of sin inverse f of x. Our f of x is simply it is 2x by 1 plus x square where modulus x greater than 1. That is dy by dx is equal to half into d by dx of, when modulus x less than 1, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. Modulus x greater than 1, it is, this sin inverse is pi minus 2 tan inverse x. Note that modulus x greater than 1, this sin inverse 2x is pi minus. Modulus x less than 1, it is simply 2 tan inverse x. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into derivative of this 1 is 0 minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. That is simply dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Using differential equation, find y. For this y, find y using differential equation. Dy is equal to minus dx by 1 plus x square, variable separable. Using integration, y is equal to minus tan inverse x plus c. Minus tan inverse x plus c. Y of x is minus tan inverse x plus c. Y of root 3 is given that minus tan inverse root 3 plus c is pi by 6. It is minus pi by 3 plus c is equal to pi by 6. C is equal to pi by 6 plus pi by 3. That is pi by 2. 30 plus 60, 90. C is pi by 2. Therefore, y of x is again minus tan inverse x plus c is pi by 2. This equation is converted as y of x minus tan inverse x plus pi by 2. Find y of minus root 3. Minus tan inverse minus root 3 plus pi by 2. That is minus tan inverse minus root 3 is minus tan inverse minus root 3 is minus tan root 3. Tan inverse root 3 plus pi by 2. Minus minus get cancelled. Tan inverse root 3 pi by 3 plus pi by 2. 90 plus 60 is 150. 90 plus 60 is 150. That is 5 pi by 6. 5. Mean and standard deviation of 10 observations are 20 and 2 respectively. Each of these 10 observations is multiplied by P and reduced by Q. P not equal to 0, Q not equal to 0. If the nu x bar and sigma are half, then Q is. We have a result. Xi data average arithmetic mean x bar, standard deviation arithmetic mean x bar, standard deviation sigma ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ ഈ ഡേറ്റയിലെ എല്ലാത്തിനെയും p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ px bar ആകും arithmetic mean, സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഡീവിയേഷൻ p സിഗ്മ ആകും. ഡേറ്റയിലെ എല്ലാ ടേമിനെയും p വെച്ച് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ x ബാറിനെ മാത്രമേ p അഫക്ട് ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ. x bar plus b സിഗ്മ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും, നോ ചേഞ്ച്. അഡീഷൻ അഫക്ട് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല sb നെ. അപ്പൊ xyനെ p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയും q വെച്ച് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയും q വെച്ച് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ px bar മൈനസ് q ഇവിടെ സംഭവിക്കും. കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് p മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈഡ് ആകും, x ബാറിന്റെ കൂടെ q സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റഡ് ആകും. ആ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഡീവിയേഷൻ p സിഗ്മ ആയിരിക്കും, മൈനസ് q അവിടെ എഫക്ട് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല. ഇവിടെ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനില് ഇങ്ങനെ p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് q റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇത് സംഭവിക്കുമ്പോൾ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക് മീൻ ആക്ച്വൽ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക് മീൻ ഇവിടെ 20ഉം sd 2ഉം ആണ്. അത് ഹാഫ് ആകും, 10ഉം 1ഉം ആകും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് p വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് q റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പുതിയ ആവറേജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x bar ന്യൂ is equal to p x bar minus q ആണ്. That is x bar ന്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10, പുതിയ x bar എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ന്യൂ കേസ് 10 ആണ്, is equal to p x bar is old is 20 minus q. A formula 10 is equal to 20p minus q. സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഡീവിയേഷന്റെ കേസ് വരുമ്പോൾ sd ന്യൂ is equal to p into sd old. New sd is 1, half the 2 എന്നുള്ളത് 1 ആകും. That is p into sd old is 2. Clearly p is 1 by 2. Put this p here. That is this p is modulus p. Modulus p ആണ് ഇവിടെ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് modulus p ആയിരിക്കും. മാഗ്നിറ്റ്യൂഡ് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് വരാറുണ്ട്. That is modulus p is half. That is p is plus or minus half. P is plus or minus half. Then 10 is equal to 20p. 20p minus q is equal to 10. 20p minus q is equal to 10. That is 20q is equal to 20p minus 10. Q is equal to, we have to calculate q. Substituting half, positive half, 20 by 2 is 10 minus 10. It is 0. Substituting negative half, that is minus 10 minus 10, it is minus 20. Q is minus 20 here, 0. But Q not equal to 0, so final answer is minus 20. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.